Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change sound settings of a screen recorder on Samsung Galaxy A72. So let's open settings. We have to find and choose advanced features. From there we have to pick screenshots and screen recorder. At the bottom there are screen recorder options, and what we are looking for are the sound options. Click on it and you have 3 different options to choose from. No sound, media sounds, or media sounds and microphone. For example, let's choose media sounds and microphone. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.